Okay, Parametric Equations, Lesson 3. We are going to look at how to sketch the straight line. Now this is interesting. It looks very confronting because I've actually given two things. They both kind of look in some ways like linear functions because they've got something t plus something, t minus 2, and so it kind of works out. They both look like straight lines, but actually this is just one straight line with an extra parameter t. I won't bother going into what t is all about. But let's just see, how do we sketch this line? Well, first we better change it into something we understand, a Cartesian equation. So call that one 1, call that one 2, and I'm looking at both equations. I think this one's going to be the easiest one to make t the subject of. So in 2, it's true to say that t equals, if I plus 2 to both sides, I get y plus 2, call that 3. Substitute 3 into, well, now that I've kind of used 2 and 3, let's substitute it back into 1. And I substitute y plus 2 where t was. So it becomes x equals 2 times y plus 2 plus 4. And let's continue on. So that's x equals 2y plus 4. And so we've got x equals 2y plus 8. Coming up this side of the board, we've got, I'm going to change it into y equals mx plus b form. So I've got 2y equals x minus 8, and I've got y equals a half x minus 4. And so to sketch this straight line, it's going to cut at minus 4. It's going to have a gradient of a half, so that means it's going to cut this axis at 8, and it's going to travel up in that direction. And that is the straight line given by those parametrics, or I could call it by its Cartesian equation now. Remember, that and that are really one and the same.